Hello everyone, welcome to the QS Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn the smoke testing topic, and we will learn its definition and when we should perform the smoke testing. And we will go through some of the examples, and we will check why we call this smoke testing. So, smoke testing is a basic type of testing in which we check whether uh, the main functionality of the applications are working, and it is derived from the hardware testing. And when we turn on any hardware, and if uh, smoke doesn't come out of it when we power it on, so it means it's working. And so it's the basic check is verified, so term is derived from that. And in the smoke testing, when any new build is provided to us, we first perform the smoke testing, in which we cover the basic core functionalities are working, and it's a quick shadow testing, not detailed. And if anything is fail in this, so build will be rejected. And uh, and if it's passed, then we can move further into the deeper testing. So if we can take an example of any app, and we are proceeding with the login functionality. So in this login functionality, we will check whether the app is able to install successfully, launch successfully, and users should able to log in and redirect it to the dashboard. So these three checks, we will perform testing on based upon these three checklists. And if any of these will fail, we will not proceed further. We will report to the dev team or dev team member regarding this, and we will form that this build is being failed in the smoke testing. So I hope you have understand this topic for the smoke testing. Thank you.